Wow, what a car.
La 499p che va a raggiungere, già avviata la 296, le due novità, è entrata in pista la più fresca.
It has been so eagerly anticipated, and at last it is here.
Da ieri alla sua livrea definitiva, con un grandissimo sapore storico. Ieri sul palco di questa
So such a big part of Ferrari's rich heritage and success. The very top class of Le Mans with this all-new Hypercar. You saw in the video just so many moments, and there the 296 GT3 car. Now to follow the Le Mans Hypercar, and the Hypercar being driven by Alessandro Pierguidi, and it's Alessio Rivera who is driving the 296 GT3. And the first time that we have seen these two cars together on track, running downhill here in Imola and in super slow-mo detail here. And of course, here they come. So Rivera and Pierguidi, Alessandro Pierguidi driving the Le Mans Hypercar, and Alessio Rivera in the 296 GT3 car. Around this Imola circuit then. Ferrari's wonderful history in motor racing. The really distinctive sounds of both the Le Mans Hypercar and also the 296 GT3. Very special indeed. And the detail that we can show you. Just looking at that diffuser at the back of the car, the 296 GT3 car. And here the Hypercar then. Named last night, the 499p. And there we have it.